Hello boss, this is the Sany 22 high pressure concrete pump. Let's have a look. It has been remanufactured and repainted. Being maintained and repaired very well. Let's see the inside. Electric control box, Rigner, and 2 units of Rolls 190 oil pump, and 2 units of Voice 186 kilowatt engines. The other side. It has 22 megapascal outlet pressure, can vertically pump about 200 meters. If you are interested, please contact me.